In this brief video, I will demonstrate how to transfer Solana from a Metamask wallet directly to a Phantom wallet. In order to accomplish this, we will require the recipient's address from within the Phantom wallet. Click Receive. We're going to copy the Solana wallet address by simply clicking on this specific button right here. Now, we will navigate to your Metamask wallet. Ensure that you select the Solana network. At this point, you should already have a wallet established here, and it should contain a balance of Solana cryptocurrency. I have it already, so I can go ahead and send it now. To do this, I'll simply click on the Send button. I will paste the recipient's wallet address for Phantom, which I just copied. And then I will input the amount of Solana I wish to transfer. I'll click Continue. I'll click Send. I can view the transaction. I'll go ahead and click on Close Now, and that's all there is to it. The Solana has successfully been sent from the Metamask wallet directly to the Phantom wallet. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below this video.